Imagine stepping inside a masterpiece of motorhome that transcends boundaries, blending art and engineering in every curve. The 2026 Prevost motorhome, with its new style, is exactly that, a symphony of sleek design, masterful craftsmanship, and groundbreaking functionality. The exterior is sharp and modern, a sculpted outline that hints at the luxury within. Dynamic lines meet bold contours, conveying both elegance and power. Its presence exudes confidence, turning heads wherever the road takes it. Inside, the transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. The living spaces flow with intention, open, warm, and refined. Plush seating invites relaxation, crafted from top-tier materials that feel sumptuous under your fingertips. Ambient lighting casts a soft glow that adapts to your mood, layering the space in subtle sophistication. Storage hides in plain sight, seamlessly integrated so that every cubic inch is both functional and visually pristine. Whether you're cooking, working, or unwinding, every surface speaks of premium quality and purposeful design. Technology here is not tacked on, it's thoughtfully embedded. Cutting-edge digital controls empower you to adjust lighting, climate, and entertainment with a gentle tap. Connectivity isn't an afterthought, but a core experience, ensuring strong signal even in remote landscapes. High-definition screens meld with clean lines, maintaining an aesthetic that's both modern and uncluttered without compromising on capability. Bedrooms in this 2026 Prevost redefine rest. Beds feel like floating sanctuaries, layered with the finest fabrics and plush bedding. Privacy is preserved with ingenious soundproofing, creating an oasis of quiet no matter the surroundings. Multiple slide-outs expand living zones without sacrificing structural integrity. Thanks to Prevost's renowned beam construction and rock-solid chassis, the Volvo D13 powertrain and Allison transmission deliver a ride that's as smooth as it is strong, offering quiet efficiency alongside formidable performance. Attention to detail is what elevates this motorhome to an art form. Fixtures gleam with brushed metals, surfaces align flawlessly, even the smallest elements, switches, handles, TRIMs are chosen for their quality and coherence. Every corner feels intentional, curated with an artisan's eye. If the exterior caught your eye, the interior captures your imagination. This motorhome is not a vehicle, it's a moving sanctuary. It blends industrial prowess with refined living. It's where the open road meets endless comfort, where the horizon becomes a backdrop to your life at home. The balance between being rugged enough to explore and elegant enough to retreat is rare, and yet, the 2026 Prevost delivers it effortlessly. Every moment inside this coach is an experience. Imagine sipping coffee at dawn, warmed by intelligent climate control, while the world wakes around you, or unwinding under subtle LED lighting, perfected for comfort, watching scenes change outside without ever sacrificing peace within. Connectivity, power, privacy, and polish all interweave to create not just a journey, but a lifestyle in motion. The result is a rolling expression of luxury at home that moves with elegance and intention. The 2026 Prevost with its new style isn't just the next step in motorhome evolution, it's a leap. It sets a new benchmark for what traveling and comfort can feel like. This narrative invites your viewers into a world where craftsmanship, innovation, and serene luxury meet, not in text, but in feeling. It's more than a tour, it's a front row seat to the future of travel in the ultimate on-wheels retreat.